professional heating and ventilation air conditioning supplier. Chigo, heating and ventilation air conditioning. Company profile. As a forerunner in the heating and ventilation air conditioning industry, Chigo Heating and Ventilation Air Conditioning set sail with an overwhelming momentum in 2002. Since then, it forged ahead through brambles and thorns and waged competition with a crushing force, unveiling a glorious chapter in its development course and growing into one of the top 3 commercial air conditioning vendors in China. Today, Chigo boasts 150,000 square meters of production base, 80,000 square meters of workshops, domestically first-rate production and test equipment, and annual production capacity worth RMB 2 billion. Also, Chigo is equipped with worldwide service outlets and staffed with a multitude of senior engineers so that it can provide domestic and overseas users with professional, accurate, and high-level services. By virtue of its forward-looking wisdom, spirit of innovation, and precise and pragmatic attitude, Chigo is setting a new trend for the industry's development. R&D and manufacturing. By espousing the professional, focused, and expert business philosophy, Chigo keeps on overcoming hard nuts to improve its product's technical content and commercial engineering value. For example, it invested more than RMB 100 million in increasing its production capacity, building lab complex, and developing new molds. In 2012, it invested another RMB 200 million in building R&D comprehensive office building and multi-connected air conditioning unit workshop, which laid a solid foundation for the company's professionalized and large-scale development in the future. Aside from that, the company introduced excellent talents from diverse channels. For example, Chigo and its parent company have established an advisory body that consists of 50 doctoral supervisors, including experts of Chinese Academy of Sciences, and the company's R&D center is staffed with more than 80 technical research fellows, who join hands with the postdoctoral scientific research workstation and Guangdong Province academicians, experts, and enterprises workstations to carry out technological coordination and combined researches. Moreover, Japanese senior technical experts' participation in Chigo further boosts the company's booming development. Thanks to the company's huge investments in all aspects, Chigo improves its developmental strength day by day in various fields like product performance, product structure, electronic control, and industrial design, etc. Among other things, the digitized, flow-based, IT-centered, and system-oriented work standards contribute to the company's rapid change in product quality and company charm. Quality control. Chigo clings to the zero tolerance to quality defect culture, and its rigorous quality management system ensures the product quality. So far, the company has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification, GB/T 28001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification, and QC0 80000 Electronic and Electronic Components and Products Hazardous Substance Process Management HSPM certification. In addition to that, the company's lab was conferred upon the Certificate of Approval by Intertek Group ETL and the Energy Efficiency Label Management Center of China National Institute of Standardization. Chigo's success in passing the said authoritative certifications should be mostly attributed to its unceasing pursuit for flawless quality and strong strength. Honors and qualifications. With improvement of its managerial competence, the company achieves leap-forward development in production and operation level. In recent years, Chigo has won dozens of honorary titles and several product design patents, like the World Green Environmental Protection and Energy Conservation Award, Award for the Best Energy-Saving Air Conditioning Vendor in Government Procurement, Class A Enterprise in Commodity Inspection, High-Tech Enterprise, Guangdong Provincial Level Corporate Technology Center, and famous product of Guangdong Province, making the company remarkable in the industry. Marketing network. All along, Chigo has adhered to the domestic sales plus export business strategy. As a result, it has established a consummate marketing system. By now, Chigo has its service outlets extended to 112 countries and regions, with domestic offices and branches covering 31 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions. By segmenting the sales market, Chigo streamlines its marketing and reduces the cost. Indeed, the strategy of breaking up the whole into parts has brought the company abundant achievements in the channel competition. For example, it successfully won the bid for Luhe-Fuyang Railway Project and real estate engineering project worth RMB 10 million, as well as became the exclusive air conditioning vendor for the 26th Shenzhen Universiade and the design brand for the Central State Organ's centralized air conditioning procurement project. Simultaneously, the company has scored a variety of praiseworthy achievements in overseas market. Product introduction. Profession leads to quality. Chigo specializes in operating 3 major product collections: light commercial air conditioning, cassette series, ducted series, floor ceiling series, 10 horsepower floor standing series, and PTAC series. Chiller system: heat pump modular chiller, heat pump water heater, heat recovery modular chiller, and fan coil unit, etc. DC inverter VRF, CMV2 series, CMVX series, Mini VRF series, and heat recovery ventilator series. In 2014, Chigo floored the gas pedal again and ceremoniously launched into the market its full DC inverter VRF CMVX series. CMVX series is a new generation full DC inverter VRF system that is developed by Chigo through adoption of high-efficiency, energy-saving, low-carbon, and eco-friendly R&D philosophy and application of the industry's advanced 180-degree sine wave full DC inverter technology and precise refrigerant control technology. With the strength of several core patents, CMVX series has IPLV value of up to 7.4 and tops its counterparts in the industry. By clinging to the modularized design philosophy, CMVX outdoor units are made of up to 6 basic capability modules, namely 8 horsepower, 10 horsepower, 12 horsepower, 14 horsepower, 16 horsepower, and the 6 basic modules can be freely combined into a larger capability system, with maximum capability hitting 72 horsepower. In addition, this series provides customers with diversified types of internal units, such as cassette unit, floor ceiling unit, ducted unit, wall-mounted unit, fresh air unit, and heat recovery ventilator, etc., so as to meet different design and installation demands. Aside from that, CMVX series is compatible with Android, iOS mobile intelligent terminals, so that its application is more convenient and intelligent. Among other things, Chigo has developed the human-centric centralized control system, making the equipment management and maintenance more simple and reliable. Also, CMVX series can be connected with BMS systems like Modbus, BACnet, and LawnWorks, etc., so that it meets large-scale buildings control requirements. Besides, functions like 1,000-meter ultra-long pipe, automatic snow removal, and multi-stage loudness control perfectly construe CMVX series' high-tech contents and considerate human care. Looking ahead, Chigo will call on all its staff to work with one heart and keep on clinging to the principle good product, fine variety, steady quality, minimum cost, and quick delivery. Thinking globally and aiming high, Chigo vows to continue creating a better tomorrow.